Hi guys, in this video I wanted to share the progress of this week about designing the first boss fight. Hello everyone, this is Lee. Welcome to my devlog number 28. Currently I'm working on a turn-based strategy game named Dungeon Slayer. If you'd like to follow the game and see how it is created, please like and subscribe my channel. So far, I have created some levels. After the player get familiar with the game mechanism, now I think it's time for the first boss fight. This should be a big entrance leading to where the boss is. In previous level, we have seen many skeleton slaves, soldiers, and knights. In this world, they are all controlled by the boss using some dark magic. The boss should be able to use this power to bring the dead back to the world and build his army. That's why these dead enemies keep coming back all the time. So I would like to build this scene looks like a place the boss can run some dark ceremony. As this first boss fight, the map doesn't need to be very big. Just make sure the player can use the game mechanism they get familiar with in the previous level to win the battle. Once I got all these ideas, I start to choose the elements I would like to put into the scene and add details gradually. Now that's how it looks like. Remember that I mentioned the boss should be able to use his dark magic to bring the dead back to the world? Then I work on the script to make sure the enemy got spawned automatically. Initially, it is spawned periodically in time. Then I found things are losing control in this way, and too many enemies can be spawned after a while. So I decided to change the logic to spawn the enemy by every 2 or 3 turns, and I can also limit the number of enemies at the same time. But I still feel something's missing, as simply spawn the enemy doesn't give me the feel that the boss summoned the dead enemy. Then I decided to add a new animation to the boss, at the same time place some visual effect. I still think I can do better here, so I update the script to make sure the camera will move to the new spawned enemies automatically. By putting all this in sequence, now I can get a feel about the connection between the boss and the spawned enemy. That's how it looks like. I might do some more polishing after once I got some time, like adding some more random factors or even create different forms for the boss to increase the difficulty. But I'm quite happy with what it looks like now. At the end of this video, I would like to ask you a question. Any other details you'd like to see in the boss fight? Please leave the comment below. If you are an indie game developer, please feel free to share your channel. I'm more than happy to have a look. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more devlog from my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button somewhere on the page, and don't forget to turn on the bell next to the subscribe button. Then you will see the notification when I publish the new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.